Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a BedRug Classic Bed Mat in our Ford F-150. Let's get started. All right, so BedRug does provide you this little QR code on your hardware bag that you can scan and get their installation instructions. Make sure you follow that for the ultimate source of information. Of course, we're doing our best to follow that as well. Now, the first thing you need to do with this installation is get the bed prepped. You want to make sure that it's clean and any debris is out of there because there is going to be an adhesive portion of this install that needs to stick to the bed. And you want to make sure that's nice and clean for that step. Now, if you do have a spray and liner, there's a special adhesion kit that you're going to need to use to attach it to that spray and liner. All right, so the first thing that we did is remove it from the box, kind of get it uncurled a little bit. You can see these two white strips right here that have a kind of a Velcro material underneath it. We're going to need that exposed for this step because I'm going to attach our adhesive strips to that Velcro. So right in our hardware bag, going to be two of these guys. We just want to attach it to those Velcro strips. Next, we're just going to place this in the bed. Now, this is the 5.5 foot bed, 2021 Ford F-150. They make these for all the trucks, all the bed lengths, and so on and so forth. As long as your bed mat matches your truck, it should fit in fine. Now, on this particular one, the longer portion behind is behind the wheel wells, the shorter portion ahead. I'm just gonna flip this around. And I'm just gonna get this seated in place. Now that is where I want it, I'm gonna flip this edge over. You can go ahead and remove the adhesive from the other side of this Velcro. We just wanna carefully press this in place, apply some pressure. All right, that just about does it for the installation. Now, if there's a little bit of a curl still on the mat, that'll flatten out over time just from being in that box curled up. Another thing, you just want to make sure that your bed is above 60 degrees. It looks like there is some adhesion problems that can happen if you're applying it to a cold bed. Now, that just about does it for the installation of this BedRug Classic Bed Mat. If you're looking for this or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, check us out at UpfitSupply.com. We probably have what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.